Hello everyone, welcome back. We provide a solution given this nice square root math problem, which is the square root of p multiplying by square root of p multiplying by square root of p. This is equal to 16,384. So how do we solve for the value of p? Okay, so in this case, the first thing to do here, we square both sides. Okay, we square both sides so that if you square, we eliminate the first square root sign so that you'll have p multiplied by square root of p multiplied by square root of p. This is equal to 16,384 raised to power 2. Okay, now we proceed again. We square both sides. So that the first part will have p squared, which is p squared, and then we eliminate the second square root sign so that we multiply with p multiplying by square root of p. This is equal to 16,384 raised to power 4. Okay, this is because if you have a raised to power n raised to power m, this can be expressed as a n multiplied by m. This is the property we are applying here. This is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4, right? Now in our case here, if you have a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m, this can be expressed as a n plus m. Okay, so if you apply this property here, you have p squared multiplied by p. This is p raised to power 1. You're going to have p, this is 2 plus 1. We're going to have p raised to power 3. Okay, multiplied by square root of p. This is equal to 384 raised to power 4. Okay, so again, we square both sides. Okay, so that now here we are going to have p raised to power 6. This is 3 times 2, which is 6, multiplying by, now we eliminate the square root sign, multiplying by p. This is equal to 16,384 raised to power 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Okay, now again, applying this property, a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n plus m. We are going to have p raised to power 6 plus 1. This is equal to 16,384 raised to power 8. Okay, but 16,384, this can be expressed as 4 raised to power 7. All right, now in our case here, we have 6 plus 1, which is p raised to power 7. This is equal to 4 raised to power 7. 4 raised to power 7 is the same as 16,384. Okay, so we can multiply. Let's multiply both sides with 1 over 7. That is p raised to power 7 multiplied by 1 over 7. Multiply both sides. Remember, this is 4 raised to power 7 raised to power 8. So we'll have 4 raised to power 7 multiplied by 8. So we multiply by 1 over 7. Okay, so we simplify. We're going to have, simplify this. So we are going to have p is equal to 4 raised to power 8. Okay, and p raised to power 8, this is equal to 65,536. Okay, we're saying that p is equal to 4 raised to power 8, and 4 raised to power 8, this is equal to 65,536. Okay, so this is what is 4 raised to power 8. So p is equal to 65,536. So this is the value of p. Okay, so let's verify if this is correct. Now, as you can recall, Our problem was the square root of p multiplying by square root of p multiplying by square root of p. This is supposed to give us 16,384. Okay, so let's verify if this is true. Okay, so here, remember, this is p. Now, if you have square root of a, let me just give that an example. Square root of a, this can be expressed as a raised to power half. Okay, the same case here, we can do that. You find that the first p has only one square root sign, so that means we have p raised to power half multiplied by p. Now, the second p, we have two square root signs, so it will be a half, that is a half multiplied by p raised to power half multiplied by the third one, we have three square root sign. So the same as saying a half multiplied by p raised to power half multiplied by p raised to power half. This is supposed to give us a value of 16,384. Okay, so now we have p raised to power half multiplied by, now again, if we apply this property, a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m, this can be expressed as a n plus m. So let's apply this property so that we're going to have p raised to power half, p raised to power a half plus, we have a half times a half. Sorry, this is a half times a half. So we can have 1 over 4. That is a half plus a half, which is 1 over 4, multiplied by p. This is a half plus a half plus a half. Okay, this is a half. If you add the three of them, we'll have 1 over 8. This is supposed to give us 16,384. Okay. Now if you add a half plus, this is a half plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. Now in this case, the LCM is 8. So 8 divided by 2, 4 times 1, this is 4, plus 8 divided by 4, this is 4 times 1. That is 8 divided by 4 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 8 divided by 8, 1 times 1, which is 1. This is supposed to give us 16,384. So we are going to have p raised to power 7 over 8. This is equal to 16,384. Okay. As you can see, we have p raised to power 7 divided by 8. This is equal to 16,384. And remember, we said that 16,384, this can be expressed as 4 raised to power 7. Okay. And remember, this is p raised to power 7 divided by 8. This is equal to 4 raised to power 7. Okay. But p is equal to 65,000, as we have calculated, 536. Okay. And this can be expressed as 4 raised to power 8. Okay. So since we have p, which is 4 over 8 raised to power 7 over 8, this should give us 4 raised to power 7. Okay, let's check if this is true. So we simplify here. We are going to have 4 raised to power 7. This is equal to 4 raised to power 7. And that shows that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Okay, and that shows actually that p, which is equal to 4 raised to power 8, which is equal to 65,536. This is the correct, this is the solution to our square root math problem. So thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.